Okay, let's do the next exercise. Okay, some of them are feeling lazy. Let's we sing a song. Okay, let's we sing a song. What song we are going to sing a song? Let's we sing a phonic song. Okay, we not sing an alphabetic song. Okay, let's we sing the phonic song. Okay, children. Okay, 1, 2, 3. A for ant and A for apple. A. B for ball, B for balloon. B. C for cat and C for cat. K. D for dog and D for dot. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fan and F for feather. G for grapes and G for gum. G. I for igloo and I for ice cream. J for jug and J for juice. J. K for king and K for kite. K. L for line and L for lemon. La. M for monkey and M for mango. N for narrow and N for nest. Na. O for owl and O for onion. P for penguin and P for parrot. Q for quill and Q for queen. Quack. R for rabbit, R for race. S for swim and S for sing. T for tiger and T for team. U for umbrella, U for union. V for van and V for vehicle. W for watch and W for watch. X for Xmas, X for xylophone. Y for yacht and Y for yawn. Yeah. Z for zip and Z for zip. Okay. Now we've got the correct sound of the each and every letter. Now you recall the sound of the each and every letter sound. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise. Okay. Let's read what is the exercise actually. Let's read the exercise. Circle the correct spelling. Okay. Here given the picture. Okay. Here given the picture, and for the each picture each name was given. Now we are going to circle the correct spelling of the correct picture. Okay, let's find it out. The first picture, what is this? You can get a sweet honey from this insect. What is this? This is the first clue I'm giving for you. You can get a honey from this insect. What is this? Yes, it's a honey bee. It's not a bay. If you tell A-E, then it will become a bay. It's not a bay, it's a bee. So this is a correct spelling. Bee. Okay, let's move to this one. This is leaf. Leaf. Okay, this is a correct spelling. E-E, leaf. If you put I-F, then it will become a life. It's not a life, this is a leaf. This is a correct spelling for the word leaf. Okay. Okay, next one. Listen here. Here there is a question mark here given. Listen carefully. Here the question mark was given and the two options was given here. One is throat and here also a spelling was given. You have to going to find it out which spelling is correct for the word throat. Throat. Oh, it's not a O, not longer O, that ending with A sound. Throat. 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 Yes, this is a correct spelling for the word throat. Okay, listen. This is a picture. What is this? This is a chain. Very good. This is a chain. Okay, here the two letter words. Two word was given here. You are going to find it out which word is correct. Chain. Chain. In sound. You are getting a in sound. So this is a correct spelling for the word chain. Okay, listen here. This is a question mark was given here. This is a shoe, but what is this? This is heel. Heel. Here two options was given. You are going to find it out the which option having the correct spelling. Heel. Heel. You are having a E longer sound. Then what is the spelling? Heel. Yes, this is a correct spelling. Heel. So I'm going to make it a circle here. And this is a team. Okay, while I'm singing a song also, I told you T for tiger and T for team. I said, this is a team. This is a teamwork. Okay, more than one person, we can call it as team. Okay, team. 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 You're having a E sound as well as you're having a sound. Team. Team. So this is a correct spelling for the word team. So I'm going to circle this. Okay, look at the next picture. This is soap. 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 You're hearing O sound first. So then only you hearing a sound. Soap. Soap. Okay, then tell me which spelling having a correct word for the word soap. Yes. Yes, this is a correct spelling for the word soap. You are hearing a O sound first, then A sound. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is snail. Snail. Okay, which one is correct? Tell me. Snail. 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 Having a nay. Nay. It's not, which one is having a correct pronunciation? Snail. Yes, this one having a correct pronunciation for the word snail. Very good. Okay, look at the next picture. What is this? This is coat. Coat, isn't it? This is a coat. Coat. You're hearing a O sound first, then only you're hearing a sound. So let's tell me which option having a correct spelling for the word coat. Yes, this one having a correct spelling for the word coat. Okay, look at this picture. This is male. Male. You are hearing a sound. After M, you are hearing a sound. Male, male, isn't it? Male. Okay, which sound you are getting? Male. Yes, you are hearing a Y sound, isn't it? Male. Okay, children, so far we have circled the correct options. Let's recall it one more time. B, longer E sound. B. Throat, O-A, throat. Heel, longer E sound. Soap, O-A, soap. This is coat, C-O, coat, A-T, at. This is leaf, leaf, leaf. This is chain, 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 chain. Team, T-E-A, team, team. Snail, S-N-A-I, snail, snail. This is male, M-A-I, male, male. Okay, children. Now you can easily get the correct spelling for the correct picture, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.